Yeah, hi, this video is for Mark. Mark, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you, okay? I tested it, and obviously you was getting like a, the clicky noise, which usually is the micro switch up the top. So I did test that, give that a good clean, and obviously that didn't change anything on that. So went ahead and put another laser in for your brand spanking new laser, and it's all working as it should be. Take note that this is probably one of the worst. It's not the worst, but it's one of the worst that I've actually seen for being gummed up. So how it was working in the first place, I ain't got a clue. But but it was pretty bad, to be honest with you. So I've given it a really good clean for you. So yeah, you shouldn't be too bad for you. It should last you a few more years yet. But it is an old piece, so it's had a lot of use, this one. So keep that in mind. So yeah, let me just turn it on for you. We'll get you up and running there. Let me just turn that music up. It's my good old faithful scratch to bits CD that I play. And the only reason I play this is because it's not copyrighted, on YouTube, because they usually stop me from putting stuff on there that's copyrighted. So I just use the same CD, even though it's scratched to bits. So yeah, this one jumps like hell further in the tracks, but it's a great testing CD and it works. So yeah, you can see that all running there. Right, on another note, I just want to show you something else as well. Now, I don't know whether this was done in shipping, or whether it was already done, or when you took it out. Okay, now basically what this surround's broken. Okay, so, and there's a like a minor, you can't even see it, I can't see it, but it's like a little break there. So I don't know whether that's happened or whether it's been dropped. It looked fairly well packaged, so I'm guessing it was already done, whether you noticed it or not. But what I've done, okay, because these things are just like so rare, and if you wanted one of these, it's going to cost you £30, because we just can't get them anyway. So I'd have to take it off for a worker, which I don't really want to do. But I've glued it, I've super glued it and sanded it a little bit, just so it looks better. You ain't going to notice it if you look at it now, whereas before you really noticed it, because it was like sticking out and the bit was bent off and stuff. So I don't think it was done in the post. I think it was already done, because it did look like an old crack. But anyway, it's all fixed up now, and yeah, it's all clean and all working as it should be. So I'm going to get that back in the post for you today, buddy. Thanks very much, Mark, and anything else you need, just give me a shout, and yeah, that'd be great. So yeah, I'll just stick that one more time for you, and just run that up. Give it a second there to run up, and yeah, we'll get that shipped out for you today. You have got a 6-month warranty on that part only. I can't guarantee cogs and boards and stuff like that, but it's just impossible, because I haven't changed them, so I can't give you a warranty. But all I can say to you is, it's had a good clean. You've got a brand new laser shoot, so it should last you many years, in all honesty, as long as it ain't abused. So yeah, thanks very much, Mark, and have a great day and look after yourself. Thank you very much for your business.